Got my box, got my box, got my box. Boy, it is packaged tight. Voila! What do we have this time? Oh. You are your greatest love. Calm comes from knowing your self-love is strong. It is that unconditional love for yourself that sustains you, finds a way, that does not give up on you. Love thyself, let that be your law. Okay, yeah, that way. Sodalite. I'm thinking the stone this month is going to be sodalite. Okay, and Damiana? I'm not saying that right, I'm sure. It's pretty. Ah, look at that. Sodalite. Pretty stone, too. Pretty bag. Love the color of the bag. Ooh, that is a nice looking stone. I was just wearing a sodalite necklace a couple of days ago. Very nice. Love it. Of course, I love it. I love it. And candle. I'm gonna guess it's blue. Blue beeswax. I love these. And they burn very nicely. And Damiana leaf. Whatever the word is, I can't pronounce right. I'm sure there's a proper way to say it, and I'm not saying it right at all. It's kind of sharp. Can you smell it? Smell. It's very nice. Ritual Incense, the Witch's Moon, which is another version of the subscription box. I get Witch's Roots, and there's also Witch's Moon. It is slightly more, but you get a lot more stuff as well. Yummy. My bestie gets both boxes. She always gets really awesome stuff out of it. Okay, and this is give a little bag of poppers to my son. He loves them. This, ooh, Celine. And it has herbs in it, of course. That is yummy. That is beautiful. Very nice, very nice, very nice. And Moon Magic. More and more of us are choosing to deeply connect with the cycles of the moon. These cards enable you to tap into the magic of the lunar cycle. With a wise affirmation, you can powerfully integrate into your world, allowing the moon to guide you just as she always has for millennia. These look beautiful. It has a nice, soft, looks like high quality box. How to use the card. That would have been my husband and son come barreling in. Anyway, our ancient ancestors often relied on divination to gain insight. We too, as a modern people, can also benefit from receiving regular messages from the energies. Pull a single card each morning. It's a simple act that will help you guide your day. And another time, hold the affirmation in your heart and integrate it for the day. So, for example, dark moon, I let go, I release, I am within perfect possibility. Very nice cards. Oh, pretty. Very, very nice cards. Beautiful. So, that's the box. Now, what's the note? The Psychic Vision. Damiana leaf. We're so thrilled to have the opportunity to include Damiana within this collection due to its seasonal rarity. D-A-M-I-A-N-A. Damiana has been a prominent herb within several ancient cultures and traditions, commonly known for its ability to serve as an aphrodisiac, and included within a variety of love and passion spells originating from South America. Its medicinal use is found as far back as the ancient Aztecs and Mayans. It's recorded that the Mayans referred to Damiana as Mizibcoc. Not going to try it. The specific Damiana leaf is sourced from Mexico and has been cut and sifted. Although the dried leaves are common interest of sourcing, the entire plant is powerfully aromatic and also bears edible fruits, which are said to be similar in taste to the fig. Although there are strong benefits for assisting in love and passion, Damiana continues to offer the very unique ability to push us into meditated and altered states. You can commonly find Damiana included within herbal blends that are used for smoking or included with ritual incense blends to aid in divinatory practices and astral travel. You as a member of the may also find Damiana included within herbal tea blends as an aid in conjuring lucid dreams during sleep. Classified as a member of the passion flower family, Damiana serves as a relaxing agent and a smoother of moods. Perhaps I should drink some now. We recommend taking time to work with the herb slowly to gauge its effect on your practice. Start by including a small portion of Damiana to an incense blend you intend to burn during vision or divinatory work. As you allow the smoke to waft through your space, allow the energies of this sacred herb to elevate your consciousness. If you prefer not to include Damiana within an incense blend, include it with an herbal altar offering to call upon your guides. External use recommended. Okay, associated with Mars, it's masculine and connection to fire. Damiana Herbal Grimoire Artwork, Moon Magic Deck, Sodalite Tumbled Stone, Sodalite Book of Shadows reference page, Luna Ritual Incense Sticks, Calming Intuition Mini Spell Candle, Selene Magical Anointing Oil, We've created this special blend of oil to enhance your connection with lunar cycles and energies. Each full moon, anoint your tools with a drop of this anointing oil to aid in shining light on the wisdom that is stored within the recent cycle's experiences. Enchanted this magical anointing oil with rose, lang-lang, gardenia, jasmine, and chamomile. In addition, we've included Damiana and jasmine herbs as well. Inside your oil, you'll find a Lemurian quartz said to personify oneness with your aura. We have also included a special mixture of our Goddess of the Night magical oil from our personal cabinet of witchery. Personalized oracle reading. Selected a card from the Calming Inspirations deck by Lucy Cavendish. Yeah. Wow. So, awesome, beautiful, fantastic stuff. Love, 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 love. Till next time, blessed be.